I've made millions from dropshipping on both Shopify and Amazon, and today I'm gonna start from scratch. I have 5 days to find an item, make a store. I can only use $500 and be profitable. Now in this video, we're gonna do something similar to what I did in the last challenge. If you haven't watched it, make sure that you check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the bio. But if the store fails and is not profitable after 5 days, I'm gonna be giving away $500. And if the store is profitable, even by $1, I'm gonna be giving it away to one of you. Now make sure you watch the video all the way through to learn how you can qualify. And with all of that being said, let's get started. So here's the timeline for day one. The first thing is I wanna find the product within a few hours. The second thing is hopefully when I find the product, I can order it from Amazon and get it delivered same day. Because I also want to film some ads today and start advertising by tonight. Now in terms of advertising, we're going to be advertising on TikTok, but we're going to do it very differently. I'm going to be extremely aggressive because we only have 5 days. And so the main goal is to get as many sales as possible to stay profitable. Hopefully we don't get any ads denied, since that would be pretty bad. Okay, so time to find the product. Now how I'm gonna find these products is gonna be using my phone. I'm gonna be going on TikTok, I'm gonna be going on Instagram, I'm gonna be looking up hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, and all these different things. So let's go ahead and find the item. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours and I finally found the product. So basically this is the product. It's a Bear air freshener. Honestly, the second that I saw this product, I just got like a feeling, and this has happened to me before, and those products have ended up working out pretty well. So I said, you know what, this product meets all the criteria, right? It has a cool factor, it has decent margins, it's a product where I could easily create advertisements with it, and finally it's a product that's evergreen, right? Something that I could sell year round. So now I'm gonna create the store, I'm gonna create the logo in Canva, and I'm gonna get everything set up so that we could start selling as quickly as possible. All right, so we're making some progress. Got the logo made in Canva. Literally took me like 10 minutes. But for now, I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go get some lunch, and then when I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the store. So it's 11 p.m. now, and I've been working on this since 8 a.m. And so I want to show you now real quick the store, and we're going to start our first advertising campaign. And earlier today, I also got the product. So it delivered same day. You could see it right here. Pretty cool, right? And it also comes with 2 of these. Those are the tablets that go in there for the scent. All right, so let's jump into my computer so I could show you the store here. So as you could see, obviously this is a one product store, right? The product is called Air Bear. The domain is Get Air Bear. And you can see as soon as someone lands on the homepage, they're gonna get introduced to the best picture that I could find of this product from the supplier. The name up here, limited quantity. I'm gonna be introducing a lot of things into this challenge to increase the average order value. The first one is, for example, bundling options right here immediately. So as you could see, you know, minimalistic look. We have the item here, they get to add to cart. Then we have this GIF here, again, from the supplier with just some information, right? So it could be attached to every type of car. And so now let's go ahead and dive straight into the TikTok ads manager. We need to warm things up. And the best way to warm things up here is with a campaign-based optimization at $50 for the first 24 hours. So campaign budget optimization means that the budget is set at the campaign level, and then all the different ad groups are gonna share that budget, right? So we're gonna select the pixel here. We're going to select the completed payment, and we're gonna leave everything as is. The only thing is that we're gonna do 18 and up. So 18 and up, broad targeting. We want TikTok to find the best buyers for this. No interest targeting, none of that. And we're just gonna press next here. So I filmed a couple of ads earlier, and we're gonna be using one here in specific. So we're gonna put the website here, which is getairbear.com, and we're pretty much set. We're gonna go ahead and submit this. And then what we're going to do is duplicate the ad group multiple times over. Okay, so as soon as things get launched, they're gonna be in review. But what I'm gonna do immediately is I'm gonna go to ad group, and I'm going to copy this ad group 4 times over. So I'm gonna go ahead and submit this. And the goal here is to have one campaign at $50 a day, multiple ad groups with the same ads. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this campaign run for 24 hours. We're gonna allow the ad account to get warmed up, and we'll see how it goes. But for now, I'm gonna go to bed.
Good job.
Officially 24 hours since we started running the advertisement. I got a notification on my phone a little while ago of a sale, and I checked and it actually seems like it's 4 orders, which is absolutely amazing. But for now, let's jump into my computers. Okay, so let's see what orders we got. So if you guys remember, something that I did on the landing page for this item is at the bottom, I included refills. So, you know, this is a cool type of product because people are constantly going to need refills if this is something that they continue using. And the funny thing is that actually one of the orders that came in yeah, boy, is for an Air Bear and the Jasmine scent pill. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual campaign. We started advertising this item with a single CBO campaign. And what that's going to do is, again, it's going to go on different segments of audiences, and TikTok by themselves, they're going to choose where to spend the most amount of money. So really the scaling plan over the next couple of days, take store to as much revenue as possible. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to leave this CBO campaign running at $50 a day. And I also created a campaign here called Scale, where we're going to be using an ad set budget, but we're going to be using an ad group budget here at $20 a day, the same exact ad group duplicated 4 times over with no targeting, only the United States. So we have $80 here, and we have $50 a day on the CBO, which we're going to continue running. So that's going to be stage 1 of scaling. Now the next goal is how can we take this to as much revenue as possible. So make sure you stay tuned because that's coming. It is day 3 of our 5-day challenge and sales are still coming in. Now let's go ahead and jump into my computer. So as you can see here, today so far we have $86 in sales. Yesterday was our first day running ads and we did $120 in sales. The day's not over yet today. I expect that we're gonna get more orders. Let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of the financials so far. So we're currently on day 3. We started with $500. That was our starting seed round from our main investor, me. Then we had $20 for a domain, $30 for Shopify, and $15 to order the product from Amazon so that I could start running ads as quickly as possible, right? So we were left with $435. So far, we have $205.95 in sales, and our ad costs so far are $80. And we have $70 in unit costs, so we've sold a total of 10 units throughout these 7 orders, and a total of 2 scent packs at $3 each. Quickly, let's see if we've gotten any more sales in the last 20 minutes. Probably not. No, so we're still at $86 today. We still have about 7 hours left in the day today. So I think we'll probably do an extra maybe like $80 to $100 more ideally. And I'll catch you tomorrow for the next update. All right, so it's currently day 4 and this is how the sales are looking. I hope you can see this. $169 today so far. I'm not sure how much we've spent on ads, but it can't be that much. And we actually just got an order like a couple of minutes ago, and the average order value thing that we did yesterday is working. You can see here that someone ordered 3 bears and they ordered the first upsell of the refills and they ordered the second upsell of more bears. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna film a couple of ads inside of this Porsche here. This is my boy's car. He's storing it here at my house. So I'm gonna film a couple of ads in here and then I'm gonna show you how they look. Okay, so here's how the ad looks. This is the one I'm gonna be using. So today we've only spent a total of $32 so far. This campaign here is not spending, so I really need to figure out how to get this account to spend more quicker. 2 hours later. We're at $317 in sales so far for the day, 7 orders, and our plan is working almost perfectly. The next thing that we need to ask ourselves is how much money was spent on ads, right? Because if we generated $317 in sales, but we spent $1,000 on ads, that's not that impressive. So today we have spent $52 on ads. $52 on ads, right? So we have $27.85. We take the $52 on ads and we divide them by 7. It's costing us around $7.46 to acquire each customer. So this is an insane profit margin so far. We're getting a huge return on ad spend, right? And I said it in the beginning that if this store was profitable by day 5, someone was gonna win this store. Now remember, to learn exactly what you need to do to qualify, make sure you watch this video all the way. It is the last day of the challenge. Yesterday, the store did $376.96 with about $80 in profit, which is not bad. And today, the sales so far are $334, which is amazing. So really, the main goal today is gonna be to try to surpass $1,000 in sales. So if you guys remember at the beginning of the video, I said that if this store was not profitable, I was gonna give $500 to one of you. But if it was, then I was gonna give the store to you, everything, the ad account, the domain, the store, absolutely everything. So here's what you need to do to qualify. 1, you need to like this video. 2, you need to be subscribed to the channel. And 3, leave a comment down below on what your favorite part of this challenge was. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of you and I'm going to make a separate video later on, basically, showing the winner and moving all of those assets over to you. So let's see right now, we have 5 visitors on the store. We have 1 active cart. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to let the ads run the rest of the day. Everything is optimized. And then I'm going to check back in tomorrow with a final update. So the challenge is officially over. It is day 6 of our 5-day challenge. And our goal yesterday was to try to surpass $1,000 in sales. And we came up short, but barely. Right? So we did $963.07, 25 orders. It was a pretty solid day. And I mean, one of the most amazing parts is the growth, right? Because we were able to get there literally in 5 days. So from $963 in sales, we spent $320 on ads, around $460 in product cost, which leaves us with around $180 in profit, which is around an 18 to 19% margin yesterday. The day before, which was day 4, the store did $376 in sales with around $80 in profit. And day 2 and 3, we did $119 day 2. Day 3, we did $86. So those days combined, we did about $205 in sales and about $30 in profit. Today, it has done $662 in sales. So actually, before I started this video, it was at around $200. But remember, we're going to be having a giveaway where I give this store away to one of you guys. With the ads, with the ad account, the store, the pixel, the domain, everything passed over to you. I'm going to keep running it till then to make profit for myself until it's given away to one of you. But I think that's going to be pretty cool. So let's go over a couple of things that I think could have been done differently in order to achieve a higher profit and see more success with the store. So the first thing is creating more ads, right? So I need to be constantly creating new creatives because creatives get exhausted. Then I would also create more ad accounts. So a strategy that a lot of people don't know is that in order to continue scaling, not only do you create more ad sets, more campaigns, more ads, increase the budgets, but you could also scale by creating additional ad accounts. The third thing would be abandoned cart emails. So just like I'm going out there and I'm going to run ads to people that are abandoning carts, I want to send them automated emails telling them to come back and giving them a reason to come back. And finally, I would do upsell emails, right? To everybody that already purchased, I would offer them other items that are related to this one to get people spending more and more. And if I could continue doing that and getting the same clients to spend more, then on the flip side, I could spend more on advertising and grow the store even more. Now, if you want to see a 14-day version of this with a different item and completely different results, make sure that you click on this video on the screen to check out that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.